we have wonderful guests. Welcome. We are so glad you've come to see us tonight. Very glad to see you, and look how wonderful you are. I wonder whether you would like to meet my silly parrots. Would you like to meet my silly parrots? The pirates live from here. All right. Have you heard about the pirates? Yes? Maybe you're looking for pirates. I think these children would like to learn something about birds. I've been reading about birds in my book. So I'm going to ask my parrots some questions, and perhaps they can help us learn some things. Why do hummingbirds hum?
Because they don't know the words!
Silly parrot. I'm going to try again, and I really must ask you to be serious. These children, I'm sure, would like to learn something. Polly, why do birds fly south?
Because it's too far to walk!
That's an interesting answer, isn't it? I didn't think of that. Shall I ask another one? Polly, what is a bird after he's 5 days old?
6 days old!
I deserve that one. We'll try again. Polly, what happens when a duck flies upside down?
He quacks off!
They're not very serious birds, are they? Not very serious at all. Polly, do you think ducks are clever?
They're all white quackers!
I'm going to ask for your opinion on something. Polly, what do you suppose would happen if an owl lost his voice?
He wouldn't give a hoot!
What do you suppose ducks would eat with soup?
Quackers, of course!
What type of bird flies over San Francisco Bay?
A bagel!
All right, let's see this one. Polly, why did the parrot cross the street?
Because it was the chicken's day off!
These birds are too silly, aren't they? I'm going to ask them one more question, then I think we'll send you on your way because they are just being such silly billies. Polly, are you ready for one more question?
Answers, 5 more!
Answers? Good. Polly,
Keep them coming!
where did pirates go?
No more!
Oh my goodness.
Scary pirates!
I think we'll send you on your way, and I'll see if I can calm these silly birds down, shall I? Follow your angel guides. Stay on the path into the night of magic. Thank you for visiting. Yes, follow your map.